Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's new button feature. This powerful addition lets you automate repetitive tasks and insert pre-designed content blocks with a single click, making your workspace far more efficient. First, open Notion in your web browser and select your workspace from the left sidebar. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to add the button. If you don't have an existing page, you can create a new one by clicking the plus button beside your workspace or directly in the main area. This gives you a clean canvas to work with. Now click inside the page body where you want your button to appear. This is where the magic happens. Type /button and you'll see the block menu appear. Select button from this menu to insert a new button block. You'll immediately see a default button appear on your page. Next, click on the button's default name to edit it. Type in whatever name makes sense for your workflow. Maybe it's add task, create meeting notes, or insert template. This label helps you and your team understand what the button does at a glance. While you're customizing, click the button icon if you want to change its appearance. You can select any emoji from the picker to give your button some personality or visual clarity. Here's where things get interesting. Click on Add a Step to define what actually happens when someone clicks your button. You'll see several action options available, including Insert Blocks, Add Page to edit pages in, Show Confirmation, or Open Page. Each of these serves different purposes depending on what you're trying to automate. For this example, we'll use Insert Blocks, which is perfect for creating reusable templates. Design the block template that will be inserted each time the button is pressed. You can include headings, text, lists, or even icon animations. This is incredibly useful for standardized meeting notes, project templates, or recurring task lists. Build it once and you'll never have to recreate it manually again. When you've finished setting everything up, click Done to save your configuration. Your button is now fully functional. From this point forward, you can click the button anytime to execute the configured actions automatically. It's a simple way to streamline your workflow and eliminate repetitive formatting tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.